Welcome back. Remember to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Today, in the second part, we review another two best ETFs. iShares S&P 500 Information Technology Sector ETF USD is an ETF that offers investors the opportunity to invest in the largest and most prominent U.S. technology companies that are part of the S&P 500 index. This ETF tracks the S&P 500 Information Technology Sector, which consists of U.S. technology companies such as Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and other industry leaders. The technology sector has been one of the fastest-growing and most innovative sectors in the world. Companies such as Apple, Microsoft, and Google are pioneers in digitization and technological development, which makes this ETF attractive to investors who want to benefit from the growth of the technology market. The technology sector has shown continuous growth and innovation, especially in the areas of cloud services, artificial intelligence, online shopping, and semiconductors. This allows investors to benefit from the technology's long-term growth potential. The fund gives investors broad diversification into the largest and most capital-intensive companies in the technology industry. This reduces the risk compared to investing in stocks of individual technology companies. The fund is a cost-effective way to invest in the technology sector without the need to buy shares of individual companies. In addition, the ETF fund is highly liquid, which means that investments can be easily bought and sold on the stock exchange. Technology companies have historically been profitable, and many companies have strong profit prospects in the future as well. This makes the fund attractive to long-term investors who seek growing share prices and stable results. Technology companies can be exposed to market risks, such as regulatory changes or changes in the global economy, which can cause rapid price changes. The fund only focuses on one sector, which means it doesn't offer the same level of diversification as multi-sector ETFs. The iShares S&P 500 Information Technology Sector ETF is an attractive choice for investors looking to benefit from growth and innovation in the technology sector. It provides exposure to leading U.S. technology companies in a cost-effective and diversified manner, but due to its technology focus, it is more sensitive to market changes and technology risks. The VanEck Morningstar Developed Markets Dividend Leaders ETF is an ETF that provides investors with exposure to developed market companies that pay large and stable dividends. This ETF specifically invests in high dividend-yielding companies that are stable and profitable over the long term. The fund invests in companies with high dividend yields. This makes it an attractive option for investors looking for regular and reliable dividend income. Dividends can act as a steady cash flow for the investor. The fund offers a diversified investment in companies from developed markets, such as the United States, Europe, and Japan. This diversification reduces risk, as the investor is not dependent on the development of one market or industry. Companies that pay large dividends are usually stable and established companies that generate consistent profits. This can provide protection against market volatility and is particularly suitable for long-term investors. Although the ETF already invests in companies with high dividend yields, many of these companies aim to increase their dividends each year. This allows dividend income to grow over time. The fund's expense ratio is often lower than many actively managed funds. This makes it a cost-effective way to gain diversification and dividend yield from developed markets. Although the ETF focuses on companies that pay large dividends, the dividend yield may vary depending on the market situation and the earnings development of the companies. Since high dividends are attractive to investors, especially in a low interest rate environment, rising interest rates can make dividend-paying companies less attractive. The VanEck Morningstar Developed Markets Dividend Leaders ETF is an excellent option for investors who want to focus on stable dividend payers and enjoy a long-term dividend stream. It offers a diversified and cost-effective way to invest in developed markets, but the investor should be aware of the risks associated with dividends and interest. Here were the best ETFs right now. Thank you for joining this video. Remember to research and make your own investment decisions. See you in the next video. And remember to subscribe to the channel and make good stock picks.